National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northern Perry County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of White Bluff to 7 miles southwest of Dixon to 9 miles north of Linden, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Charlotte, Bon Aqua, Belmead, Prim Springs, Natchez Trace at Highway 96, Bucks North, Fairview, Berry Hill, Ashland City, White Bluff, Leapers Fork, Nunnally, Oak Hill, Dixon, Forest Hills, Cheatham Dam, Bells Bend, Lyles, and Nashville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 139 and 215. Interstate 65 between mile markers 77 and 92. Interstate 24 between mile markers 41 and 53. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.